Welcome back to Ride Ready Reviews, your trusted source for everything on wheels. Whether it's the roar of a bike engine or the elegance of a luxury SUV, we bring you detailed insights, real-world impressions, and everything you need to stay ride ready. If you're passionate about vehicles, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss an update. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most anticipated SUV launches of the year, the 2025 Jaeeco 7. This next-generation SUV has been making waves in the automotive world with its bold design, smart technology, and promise of powerful performance. So let's dive right into what makes the Jaeeco 7 a serious contender in the modern SUV segment. Right from the first glance, the 2025 Jaeeco 7 commands attention. Its exterior styling is a mix of futuristic minimalism and muscular presence. A wide front grille with illuminated accents, sleek LED matrix headlights, and a sculpted bonnet give it an aggressive yet refined look. The aerodynamic silhouette and 20-inch alloy wheels complete the premium design, making it look just as good in the city as it does on an off-road trail. Under the hood, the Jaeeco 7 offers two engine options: a 2.0-liter turbocharged petrol engine that churns out 240 horsepower, and a 2.2-liter diesel engine delivering 210 horsepower with massive torque for those who love long drives or towing capability. Both variants come with an 8-speed automatic transmission and optional all-wheel drive. The petrol version accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 8 seconds, making it one of the quickest in its class. Inside the cabin, the Jaeeco 7 takes comfort and technology to a whole new level. Step in, and you're greeted by a spacious premium interior with a dual-tone finish, ambient lighting, and soft-touch materials throughout. The centerpiece is a massive 14-inch curved touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Android, Auto, and Apple CarPlay, along with voice control and over-the-air updates. Behind the wheel, the digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, displaying everything from navigation to live vehicle stats. The SUV also features a head-up display, wireless charging pad, ventilated and heated front seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a 12-speaker surround sound system by a top-tier audio brand. Safety has not been overlooked. The 2025 Jaeeco 7 comes with advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree camera, and autonomous emergency braking. It also includes multiple airbags, a reinforced safety cage, and ISOFIX mounts for child seats, making it family-friendly and future-ready. In terms of practicality, the Jaeeco 7 offers best-in-class boot space with a split-folding rear seat setup, making it perfect for road trips or carrying large cargo. Rear passengers also get ample legroom, dedicated AC vents, and USB charging ports, ensuring comfort for everyone on board. The ride quality is another highlight. Thanks to its dynamic suspension setup and noise-insulated cabin, every journey feels smooth and refined. Whether you're gliding through city traffic or cruising on highways, the Jaeeco 7 offers a balanced ride with precise steering and minimal body roll. As for fuel efficiency, the petrol variant delivers around 13 to 15 kilometers per liter, while the diesel variant stretches it to 17 kilometers per liter, depending on driving conditions. The hybrid version, which is expected later in the year, promises even better mileage and lower emissions. The expected starting price of the 2025 Jaeeco 7 is around 28 to 32 lakh rupees in the Indian market, or approximately $35,000 US globally. That places it in direct competition with the likes of the Hyundai Tucson, Jeep Compass, and MG Gloster, but with a clear edge in features, design, and value. So, is the Jaeeco 7 worth the hype? If you're looking for a feature-packed, stylish, and performance-driven SUV that doesn't compromise on comfort or safety, then yes, it absolutely is. With futuristic looks, a tech-rich interior, and powerful performance, the 2025 Jaeeco 7 is ready to shake up the SUV game. Thanks for watching Ride Ready Reviews. For more in-depth vehicle reviews, comparisons, and updates, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. Until Until next time, drive safe and stay ride ready.